Hey guys, Jason Ninja here. Today we're treating Ninja's foot. So if you've got plantar fasciitis or pain through your arch, or you've got a flat foot, or you've got a foot that's stuck in supination, so you've got a really high arch, this is the treatment we could do for you. So yeah, we can actually start by treating on the foot. So we can look into where that plantar fascia attaches onto the heel. So we're just sinking our knuckles in there. And we're just going to slowly move around and just feel for what's going on in that foot. For a lot of people, this can be pretty sensitive straight off the bat. So, yeah, just getting feedback and making sure they're coping all right. How you going there, Ninj?
Totally
pretty
fine.
good? Yeah.
My feet are pretty
used to
rugged.
Yeah, as you can see, if you get a close up here, Leo, they're pretty cracked, and
exposed.
He's given them a clean for me though. So for those of you out there that want to comment about Ninja's feet, he's actually just washed them for me. So you should consider me lucky. Should have seen them before this. No, they're pretty clean.
Yeah. No,
But yeah, we're just working all through that heel there. So yeah, if you've got plantar fasciitis, a lot of people can get pain directly on the heel, especially when you're first thing in the morning putting weight on the foot, or sometimes it does wrap around further into the outside of the heel here, so we can actually treat through that part. Or yeah, the most common part is probably in through this arch here. So after we've warmed it up, we can start to get in with a bit of a more direct tool, so we can use the thumb. And we're just going to sustain pressure, hooking in, and we're just feeling for, normally when there's pain in there and plantar fasciitis, you can feel like a hardened lump, which is right where that plantar fascia attaches onto the heel. So we just want to make sure that we really identify where that painful spot is for that person. We're just going to pin it and hold it and slowly work it through. So I'm not trying to move really fast and flick over it. And a lot of people think that there is only the plantar fascia in your foot, but there's actually like 4 or 5 layers of muscles and tendons and fascia in the foot. So there's actually a lot of structures in the foot, more than just the plantar fascia that a lot of people think.
A bit more there, mate.
So yeah, so there's actually 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, ligaments, and tendons in the foot. So
Wow.
yeah, just think about that and how much that can be compromised by wearing shoes. If you're in office work and you've got to wear tight-fitting leather shoes, or if you're a construction worker and you've got to wear boots that have got steel cap toes and that sort of thing, and hard bottoms. So yeah, the best thing you can do for your feet is take your shoes off when you can. So if you're at home, don't go home and put different shoes on or put slippers on. Take them off, let your foot spread, move it around. Not just for plantar fasciitis, but if you've got poor arches and poor foot and ankle proprioception, just by taking your shoes off at night and in the morning and just exposing your lower leg to being barefoot, we'll start to get the ball rolling. You might need to do some more specific stuff, but that's the first step to actually fixing a lot of foot pain, is taking those shoes off, and those, particularly runners and training shoes that have got such padded high heels now, and narrow toe boxes that compress your foot as well. So if you're in tight fitting shoes for work, then you're putting in shoes that are narrow and got lots of padding in them, then your feet become weak and soft, and those muscles sort of become deactivated and don't work, and that's why you get these foot issues. So yeah, that's something to consider, is just to take the shoes off. Obviously, you've got to ease into it. You can't just rip the Band-Aid off and go barefoot all day and everything. But yeah, just build into it that way. Start off taking the shoes off at night and in the mornings and around the house. Even if you go out in the garden, if you've got one, just take the shoes off. Get the bare feet on the ground. It's the best thing for you, isn't it, Ninj?
Correct.
You love it.
You're onto it, yeah. I think when people first go barefoot too, there's like a psychological thing that goes on, or a conditioning thing, or a cultural thing that people experience. Because
I feel like there's a bit of a shame attached to it, isn't it? Because you think, someone that's homeless or living on the street, like they're generally barefoot. But I guess we're trying to take that stigma away, aren't we? And just rock it, like
own it.
Own
That's
it.
what we say, yeah.
Free the feet.
Yeah.
That's our
Free the
saying
feet.
of our man Mac Hollins.
Yeah. We got him onto it.
He's taken it to the NFL. His pre-game warm-up is, free the feet, walks around on the NFL pitch barefoot. So
Comes into the stadiums barefoot a lot of times. This has given me a bit more.
Yeah, there's a bit more curry in through this arch. So if you're someone that has pain through the arch here, this is where we can really target. This is where a lot of those muscles and tendons and ligaments are. So we're just slowly gouging through there. And you can just move my thumb that way. Is it more that way, Ninja, or more when we push out?
There, just in,
Yeah, that way there.
Yeah.
So we can just pin it. We can even just provide a little bit of a mobilization almost. So I'm just supporting the foot here, so I'm not just pushing it into the table there, and then just moving it around there and slowly working through.
So another idea just for a part 2 of this video, perhaps, Jace, is we looked into the anatomy of like the foot and all the different attachments, the muscles coming down into the foot. They actually originate, a lot of them, in the calf.
Yeah, yep.
So we can show some calf treatment and maybe some pictorial stuff, some diagrams.
Yeah, we can get some things to pop up or show you in there Aaron's favourite colouring book
his
and that sort of thing,
book.
where you can see different things. Yeah, because a lot of the deep toe flexors, so the muscles that flex the toes this way, yeah, they come up and attach deep under the calf. So yeah, you've got to go sort of in through the soleus and the gastroc layer and get into those muscles. So yeah, you can also experience pain up here that might not be necessarily your calf or your soleus. It might be, yeah, those deeper toe flexors. So vice versa, you might have to treat the bottom of the foot to help the lower leg.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of crossover between treating the foot, treating the calf, and that those deeper structures in there.
Yeah, when you're wearing shoes too, like your foot doesn't function in the engineered way, so you're going to have ripple-on effects. So like you're not using your body in the right sequence. You're not loading up the right muscles and things like that. Because you're overstriding or you're not balanced and things like that. You're not landing properly, and so yeah, you can have things that come up the chain. So yeah, it's something to consider. Get your foot functioning well, and all your, then all the other things can kind of come into line too. So
that's right. We've just released a little Instagram reel as well, so maybe go and check that out. Just it shows the benefits of lifting barefoot or training the gym barefoot compared to wearing shoes. So go and give that a look on Melbourne Muscular Therapy's Instagram, just to learn some more information about it.
Some of your best work there, Jace.
Some of the best work, yeah.
Proud
of
it.
Gonna go viral with that one, I reckon.
We'll go viral,
Insta,
yeah. Deserves to, mate.
We think so, don't we?
We don't know why some of our stuff hasn't gone viral yet.
We're funny to ourselves, but obviously other people don't get our humour.
Yeah.
We just I think it's starting to change though, Ninja. Like in terms of their whole philosophies and everything, they see more and more of it popping up around the Instagram traps, and people are like, oh, I'm starting to trend and getting on this trend. Like, we've been on a trend for 10 years, for you longer.
They're copying us. Maybe people need to go to the source.
That's right.
The originals.
Look back through our Instagram and Facebook and see what we were posting 7-8 years ago.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's been 20 since 2001, so 23 years of lifting barefoot for me. So that's before the.
Imagine putting shoes on you, Ninja. It'd be like putting them on a new kid or putting shoes on a dog. You wouldn't know what to do, would you?
That's it. Nah, perish the thought.
I'm going to get you a pair of Nikes for the Christmas party, I reckon. And
fucking no.
Maybe that's what we could do, just as an Instagram thing. We could buy a few pairs of Nikes and just burn them. Just the ones with the big high soles and heaps of padding and fucking shitloads of arch support that you don't need. So
we just go to the op shop and get some.
Go
the
new
ones, you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon go the whole hog. Sorry, Nike. Hopefully you're. If you want to sponsor us, go ahead. But design a barefoot shoe first. Anyway, sorry, Leo. Back to the treatment. We've just worked our way through, so we're just slowly getting deeper and deeper into those layers of the foot. So once we've sort of systematically worked our way around, we can come more into the arch or more out to the side of the foot. We can actually get down into the toes. A lot of people have pain when you sort of start to flex and extend the toes, so you can open the foot up this way as well, because for people that are compressed and their toes are like this or crossing over even, you can start to mobilize and really stretch those tissues, so you can sink in. So I'm closing it off there and then open it up that way, so trying to get that foot to spread and open, so just peeling those tissues apart all through that foot, so we can pin here, sink in, and then open it away. And then with my fingers at the back, I'm also sort of pushing the toes forward, so it's trying to open up the space through there. How are you feeling with those ones, Ninja? It's not as painful, but feel like it's opening the foot up there.
Yeah, you can feel it stretching around.
Yeah.
It's good.
And then we can also get a bit of Ninja's foot boogie going on here, so you can just start to block part of the toe or the foot, and you just start to move and mobilise here. So this just gets those joints moving, especially if you have a foot that's really restricted and you can't spread your toes like that. So this can just start to open those spaces up. You might get a few cracks and pops and things like that, but that's all good. It's just starting to get things moving that might not have been for a long time. So we can work our way up. Sorry, Leo, we'll jump around. So move up into the midfoot. So yeah, if you've got a flat or high arch, we can start to twist, rotate, move it around, come up a bit higher and move it that way as well. We can just twist it that way, see what's moving, what's not. Come down here, wriggle it again. Then if I actually have, Ninja, if you can reach a towel there just to throw me. I should have done this one before. Just throw me a little face towel if you can. There we go. We can actually get a bit of a toe manipulation. Yeah, I had this one pre-prepared. So the big toe doesn't normally crack, but if you come close, no, that's going to break off. Anyway, let's go to the next one. See if we can. Oh, we got one already.
Got it.
Here we go. There's one. There we go. And last one, the pinky. Oh, got him good.
Yeah.
So then we'll actually demo a little bit what we can do up into the lower leg here. So in around that gastroc-soleus junction, we're just going to hit that calf money spot, but also aim to get into those deeper structures. So yeah, we can spend longer on the foot and obviously cover a bit more territory, but we just want to show you the key spots that we're going to hit. So that calf money spot, right in that gastroc head. So if you flex your calf there, Ninja, so yeah, 2 gastroc heads here, soleus coming up there. It's right in that junction point, and then if we angle out slightly, we'll really hit that to let that relax there, Ninja. So I'll start with the palm stroke, sink down. So the key with this calf money spot is, and all the money spots in the body is, if you need to go somewhere to really have bang for buck work, it's in these money spots. So target them and you'll fix a lot of pain. If you want to know how to treat people's feet or fix pain in the human body, Ninja's about to start the 3rd or 4th intake of it. Fourth practitioner intake.
Yeah.
So starting in Feb, so a couple of weeks time or 1 week time now. Ninja.
Only a week, less than a week to go.
Less than a week to go, so get on it, guys. If you want to learn about the human body, want to learn how to change people's lives and have an influence, in a positive way, get on it. Highly recommend. I wouldn't be here if I hadn't have learnt Ninja's wisdom 9-10 years ago. So, a lot of people are shocked when they ask and go, "Oh, how long have you worked here?" And I say 10 years, and I haven't worked anywhere else other than this. And they're like, "Oh, that must be a good thing." I'm like, "Yeah, it is." So, once you find something that you love and enjoy, hold on to it. And if you are the other way, and you're a bit stuck and you're stale in your job and not necessarily motivated, maybe you need a change and burn the boat. Jump on, try something new. Farnsey did it at the age of 60, Aaron's dad. So, it's never too late, guys.
Yeah, do it. We don't feel like we're working. It's one of
right.
the things, isn't it? We just love it.
Yeah.
Just helping people out, talking to our mates all day. It's great.
If you want to improve your health, like your own physical health, it's the best way to improve your health is be amongst healthy people and like-minded people. Though I was saying that to a client yesterday is, I think we sometimes take it for granted. Like we don't realise that it's just at our doorstep, and every day we're living and breathing health, and people around us are telling us new different things that they're trying or that they've heard of. So where you go to a construction site or an office job where they're working long hours, late hours, and it doesn't necessarily lead to a healthy lifestyle if you've got to be up all nights, all hours of the night and that sort of thing. So if you want to look after your own health, maybe you need a change. So back to the treatment. So we went a bit off topic there, but hopefully you get inspired.
Yeah, 2 intakes a year, so...
Yeah,
reach out to us, have a chat. Doesn't matter what time of year, and do our free course. We did put a free
Yeah,
course
there's a
out.
free example of what the course would be like.
Yeah,
So
get a sample.
jump on that.
Yeah.
Get a bit of an idea of some of the philosophies you might learn. So we're just pinning that deep calf and just slowly working down.
You're a master craftsman. Case.
It's what you've got to be. It's an artwork. You can't get the brush out and just throw shit together. You've got to be tactful and artistic in the way you go about it.
Yeah, it's about tuning in, isn't it? A lot of times.
Yeah, being present with what you're doing.
Yeah.
Feels pretty good through there though, Ninja. The stroke's moving pretty well.
Yeah. Benefit of bare feet.
Benefit of bare feet. There it is, guys. So if you've got any foot or plantar fasciitis issues, definitely look into this treatment or jump on the course. Or we've got a Fix It Yourself program where you can treat your own pain from home. So if you don't have access to coming to us or one of our practitioners around the world, then highly recommend jumping on that. But take your shoes off, get barefoot as much as you can. Give it a go, guys. Thank you.
Free the feet. Get it done.